Good morning to dear student. I am Sugrendra Kushwaha sir. I am teaching you science. Today I am explaining bio chapter number 5. After summer vacation we start from bio first of all. Chapter number 5. The fundamental unit of a life. In the previous class 6, 7, 8 you already know about the different types of a living organism and non-living organism. You already know about in the living organism, every living organism have a body made by the different small unit, like that small unit is known as a cell. First scientist Robert Hooke, are you understand? First scientist Robert Hooke see the about the cell. सबसे पहले रॉबर्ट हुक एक ऐसे साइंटिस्ट थे जिनने सेल के बारे में रिसर्च किया था कि आखिर सेल होता क्या है किसी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, लिविंग बॉडी पे, चाहे छोटी ऑर्गेनिज्म हो चाहे बड़ी बॉडी हो, सेल एक सबसे छोटी यूनिट होती है. सेल के बारे में सबसे पहले रॉबर्ट हुक ने बताया था. Many cell, in the next chapter you will know, many cell is made up of a tissue, and tissue, after tissue is made up of a different body parts, and body will be created in the whole body. It means our body has a very small unit. That small unit is known as a cells. Cells is a very small unit. It cannot see naked eye. It is see by using a microscope. See this microscope figure, you already see the in lab. Okay, this is the microscope, compound microscope. After you will come in the lab, then I will again see, you will already see in the previous classes, okay, in the practical lab. Now this chapter already you will see the fundamental unit of the life. It means we will know about different organism and cells. Are you understand? Cells, see here in this figure, you will see understand the what are a living organism made up of. Are you understand? Already I am explained कि all living organism is made up of a small unit. That small unit is known as a cells. Are you understand? So you perform one activity to check cells. It is onion peels. Okay, this is we check if onion peel and see the microscope. So this type of a structure will be see in the cells, in the microscope, in the onion peels, in the cells. Okay, this is the cells. After you will come in the lab, then you will see this. Okay, now remember this thing more. Cell were first discovered by the Robert Hooke in 1665. He observed the cell in a cork's like with the help of a primitive microscope. Leeuwenhoek 1674 with the improved microscope. Means microscope में कैसे development हो गया आज. In the previous 1665 Robert Hooke is an old microscope, but in this time is a new technology, is a pico nano microscope, digital microscope. Are you understand? With the improved microscope discovered the free living cell in the pond water for the first time. It was Robert Brown in the 1831 who discovered the nucleus in the cell. सेल के अंदर भी न्यूक्लियस होता है, ये भी उनने बताया है ना. पुरकिंजे in the 1839 coined the term of a protoplasma for the fluids substance of the cell. This cell theory that all the plant and animals are the composite of the cell, that the cell is the basic unit of a life. was presented by two biologists, Challendian and Chenwan, है ना. The cell theory was further explained by the Virchow, arise from the pre-existing cell with the discovery of electron and microscope in 1940. It was the possible to observe and understand the complex structure of the cell. It was various organic cells. See the different small cells. Thank you so much. Next class I will explain again.